outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.
Alright, y'all. We have made it to the lobster boat now.
You guys picked a good day to
Not
do
gonna
that.
let me drive.
You see, it's pretty cooperative and not
But-
rough out there. It's nice.
I'll survive
Nothing to speak
as
of.
long as I get some tasty lobster.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
Switch on, it spins. The two discs pinch together and spins and then that. See right here. These have the same texture as the rest of the lights.
Okay.
I'm looking out for
This is for the busted hearts. This is for the question marks. This is for the outcast soul, lost control, no one knows. Sing it for the can't go back. Sing it for the
that we measure them. This is a gauge brass tool here, and the opening on this top side here, and this one's market. This one's totally fine. So people will buy it, use it for lobster rolls. You wouldn't get this as your like steamed lobster on your plate, but people would be mad. But thank you. There you go. It might tickle your palm a little bit.
Alright.
Very nice. Nicely done. Oh, geez.
with our differences. Together we are bolder, braver, stronger.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you,
Can I stand here?
like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now
They can also turn and run if the weather get bad on you
every
quick.
moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it
Yes,
out,
give those
ain't no
back.
limit. I wanna shout it up to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it
That right there,
out the world. You
we
got me
call winner.
got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for
Hey, lady.
love,
Hey, lady. Oh,
Why are you fighting?
we got that. All right, y'all. Last of the last. We're in Maine. And right there, Squirt is holding the Maine lobster roll.
This is the second last lobster of this lobster roll tour. The last lobster is tomorrow in New York.
So, this is another cold lobster with mayonnaise. Is the bun toasted?
Yeah, it's toasted.
What a toasted bun, y'all. This place is called Port Lobster in Kennebunkport, Maine. Squirt is finna taste. Don't give a number. I'm gonna do mine too. All right, hold that. All right, y'all. So the lobster is chunked, but it's not big chunks. It's like in between what we've had before. So this morning at, what was the guy's name, Pete?
Fast Eddie's.
At Fast Eddie's, the lobster was felt a little more like broken down. And then at the one we had in New Hampshire, it was like giant, almost whole pieces. This one is diced. I don't feel that much butter on this bread, y'all. I'm finna see.
There ain't that much butter on that bread. I mean, it's good. But the butter's just not there.
Yeah, she's right. This was number 3 for me. New Hampshire, Vermont, then this one. How about you?
Vermont. This one. Then New Hampshire.
Okay. There you go.
I'll enjoy the last bite of lobster roll.
All right, y'all. So to our surprise, we thought that lobster would be the state food of Maine, but it's not. It's a, what is it?
It's a whoopie pie.
So I ain't ever, never, ever had a whoopie pie. So we finna see what this here is all about, y'all.
You've had a whoopie pie.
When?
A red velvet mama.
That's red velvet. That's a Georgia whoopie pie. This is a authentic whoopie pie. Yeah,
If I like it, can I have it?
it's yours.
Yeah, it's mine.
It was just meant for me, people. It's like a giant Debbie cake. We'll see what Squirt gonna say.
Mmm.
Of course you like it because it's full of sugar.